I'm Bram Frank. I'm from Florida. I'm originally from New England. I'm a good Connecticut Yankee and a Green Mountain boy because I'm in Vermont. My system is CSSD SC, which is Common Sense Self-Defense Street Combat. Okay, so I'm going to hammer it. I'm going to rake. I get that pop. I pop it open. I come over it, abanico. Open hand, abanico. And Francis, you know, I could be unkind abanico where the ramp goes in. I'm going to run it to your elbow. I go from outside to inside. That forces your arm up. Now, as I rotate, I'm pulling it down. Notice, still in a grip. And I rotate on your elbow, so I'm pushing in. So you can't bring that elbow up. I shut it down, and now if I want to, I could do pakal grip. You know, if it was a blade and go, or when I'm getting down here, slide back to your thumb and go, sir. And I like to stretch people out from here and go, And then, of course, I can drive the Bramp finger in, and then right back to pick up. But the tool in here, that's the same we're going to do next. There's reverse grip.
Exactly.
Okay? So that on reverse grip, I do that same pickup. I use the Bramp to pick it up. I use the Bramp to hold it. And then I come back to a forward grip and shut it down.
Shut it back down, exactly.
From forward or reverse grip. Okay?
So there was no Francis that was hurt in the making of this video. I'm not crying. My eyes are sweating. Okay, just so we're clear, my eyes are sweating.
And I'm just a very quiet old guy.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you, Francis.